Yo, what's up? What's going on? Yo.
Didn't go to sleep yet? Welcome back to another episode of Fun Size Production. We're here in Malibu again. Haven't been here for a while. It's very early in the morning. I'm telling you, it's very early. Woke up this morning and it was dark still, so I'm just like, whoa, what's going on around here? But anyways, let's go check out some cars, guys. Groovy vibes all the way. Cars. Hey yo, hey yo.
Look at all these cars, dude. Look at all these cars.
I think we came a little early. We're gonna have to just wait a little bit.
Probably see more cars just driving by over there.
Yeah. They'll come, don't worry. You know how it is, it's Sunday. But a little too early for them too. Alright guys, just stopped at the Shell gas station. Got ourselves a little pick-me-up. Of course, we gotta have the Red Bull. Can you guys hear me with this man? This is Shell, yeah, this is Shell. This is Shell's gas station. Anyways, let me open this up. A little difficult with one hand, but hey, we're gonna do it. That's vlogger's life. Want me to hold it? All right. Cheers. Look at that Rari right there. Look at that Rari.
Look at yourself, yeah.
Cheers. Shell gas station. Oh my God. So right now we're just waiting for the cars to pull in. Hopefully they make a lot of noise. We sip our Red Bulls. We wait for these cars to show up. I-8 too. Right on. Right? You got the green one, you got the white one. Everyone was going towards the white one.
Yeah.
Why not the green one? How does the green one feel about that, huh?
Because the green one came early and everybody saw it already.
Yeah.
So everybody moved over to the white one.
I mean, they're all convertibles.
Oh, man.
The green one is more custom, by the way. Let me just say that.
Listen.
That paint job brings it up higher. What do you see? Oh, you see a little Cobra? A lot of Cobras today. You know what? That's what I gotta say. There's a lot of Cobras.
Oh, you hear that?
Yeah,
He did that for you.
Yeah.
We're just waiting. You just gotta wait it out till it's his light.
Yeah. So I'm in Malibu, right?
Yeah.
Check out these guys' outfits today.
You making fun of my outfit?
Oh, your Rari's leaving, dude.
There goes the Rari.
You don't like my baggy sweatpants?
What's going on with that, dude?
You hear that? He did that for you. He's like, don't make fun of my friend's outfit. Yeah, J-Lou. What's up, gang? Look how sexy that car is, dude. Look how sexy that is.
Guys, we got the C8 here. My favorite car. Love your car.
Yeah.
Love it. Look at that.
Look at it.
Beautiful.
You hear it?
Beautiful. Listen to it. Listen to it. Wow, I love the color too.
Yeah, that thing's on.
So look, we got the cops here. I think they're gonna shut it all down, guys. I think this car show's done, because you know what time it is. You know what days we're living in. No car meets anymore. Crazy stuff. Wow. Well, guys, that's the car show. Too bad. Oh, yeah, look at that Rari right there. Hold on, you guys see that real fast? Yeah, there it is. Very nice, very nice. Anyways, so the car show got shut down. Cops swarmed it. Everyone was running to their cars and had to leave, guys. That's why everyone's taking off. It's a bummer. It's a bummer. But
Everyone running right now?
anyways, so yeah, we gotta get to our car before we get arrested as well.
You want me to run away?
Hey, we gotta go. We gotta go. Come on, cops are coming. Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. Let's move. Oh my God, where's the car? Where's the car? We gotta go, guys. We gotta go. These cops are coming in. We do not want to get a ticket. Well, guys, we made it safe in the car. All the cars are taking off. We had to get out of there really fast. Oh man, that was crazy. Crazy stuff what we have to do to see cars nowadays. Jeez. But it was a good car show, you know, before the cops had to come. Anyways, we're always being safe. We always have our masks on. We always put on hand sanitizer, so don't worry, guys. Groovy vibes.
It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep.
Alright, guys, groovy vibes all the way. We'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye. Car show.